Welcome back to Smart Pest Tech. Fleas can be a nuisance for both pets and homeowners, causing discomfort and potential health issues. Addressing a flea infestation requires a multifaceted approach, targeting both pets and their environments. In this video, we'll explore what are effective ways to get rid of fleas on pets and in homes. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video. Number 5. Bathe your pets often to drown fleas. Bathe your pet in warm, soapy water using flea shampoo if available. Rub the shampoo deep into their fur, reaching the skin to remove fleas effectively. Regular baths help remove flea food sources like skin flakes and dry blood. Aim for weekly baths during flea outbreaks to keep them at bay. Number 4. Wash all bedding in hot, soapy water. To treat light infestations, wash your bed sheets in hot, soapy water. The soap kills fleas while also killing their eggs and larvae. Consider cleaning the mattress as well. Don't forget to do the same with your pet's bedding. Remember to empty your vacuum cleaner and discard the bag after each usage to avoid eggs from hatching within, which might result in another flea infestation in the future. Number 3. Use baking soda. Baking soda can get rid of fleas that are living in the fibers of your carpet. Put some on your flooring, scrub it, and then clean it up. In the same way, cleaning your carpet often will also help keep bugs away. Fleas may spread diseases to people, thus, everything must be thoroughly cleaned. Number 2. Use a pet-safe flea spray. If your pet has fleas, consider utilizing a natural flea spray. Just spray it on the area that needs it, and do it again every 3 days for 9 days, or until they are gone. This will also assist in reducing fleas in your house. Pets with fleas will scratch, bite, and lick themselves to ease irritation. Dogs that are allergic to fleas will develop crusty sores and hair loss. Adult and young fleas can be killed with pills, powders, sprays, spot-ons, and washes. To get rid of eggs, wash your pet's bedding and sweep the floor. Number 1. Professional pest control. In severe cases of flea infestation, it may be necessary to seek assistance from professional pest control services. Pest control experts have the knowledge, experience, and specialized equipment to eradicate fleas effectively. They can conduct a thorough inspection of your home, identify areas of infestation, and implement targeted treatment methods to eliminate fleas at all life stages. While professional pest control services may incur additional costs, they offer a comprehensive solution for severe flea infestations that may be challenging to tackle on your own. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.